Hey everyone! Recently I built a functional Aztec Death Whistle inspired by the one seen in Ghostbusters Afterlife. In today's video I'll show you how I did it. I found a really nice design based on a traditional Aztec Death Whistle. I 3D printed the model using a beige filament. The print quality was surprisingly good, so I skipped all the usual filler, primer and heavy sanding. Instead, I just cleaned up a few support marks and left all the little pits, dents and texture to help make it look like an aged bone. Once the cleanup was done, I applied a light matte clear coat to seal up the 3D printer. Then I covered the whole prop with a dark black-brown wash. I worked the wash into the eye sockets, teeth and carved details before wiping it back from the raised areas. This left all the dark grime in the recesses while keeping the original filament colour visible on the surface. What I really loved about this build is that the beige filament ended up being the perfect bone colour. Rather than painting the entire prop, I left the weathering to do most of the work, which helped preserve all the detail from the original print.
And now the test. Works.
For such a simple build, the final result turned out far better than expected. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next build.